How does airbag deployment affect my car's value? Have you ever wondered how airbag deployment impacts the value of your vehicle? It's a question many car owners face after an accident. Let's break down the details so you can understand what happens next. When airbags deploy, it usually means your car has experienced a significant impact. This is a clear signal to insurance companies and appraisers that there may be serious damage, even if the outside looks fine. They often see airbag deployment as a warning sign of possible hidden issues. This perception can lead to a noticeable drop in your car's market value. Now, let's talk about diminished value. This term refers to the loss in your vehicle's worth after an accident, even if it has been fully repaired. A car with deployed airbags typically faces a greater diminished value. Potential buyers may hesitate because they worry about the accident history and the costs involved in replacing airbags. This loss can sometimes amount to thousands of dollars compared to a similar vehicle that has never been in an accident. Repair costs can also be quite high. Replacing deployed airbags is not just about swapping them out. It often requires fixing sensors, wiring, and sometimes even structural components. Insurance companies will assess whether the total repair cost exceeds a certain percentage of your car's pre-accident value, usually around 70 to 75%. If it does, they may declare your vehicle a total loss, meaning they will pay you the car's value instead of covering repairs. Airbag deployment can also influence your insurance claims and premiums. It strengthens your case for a diminished value claim since it shows the accident was serious. However, this can lead to higher insurance premiums as insurers view your vehicle as a higher risk. Keeping proper documentation and getting professional appraisals can help you maximize your recovery from diminished value claims. When it comes to resale or trade-in, cars with a history of airbag deployment tend to sell for less. Buyers and dealers will consider the accident history and potential future issues, which can lower the car's market price. Even after repairs, the stigma of airbag deployment can linger. In summary, airbag deployment can significantly affect your car's value by signaling serious damage, increasing repair costs, and contributing to diminished value. Understanding these factors can help you navigate the auto insurance claims process and make informed decisions about your vehicle's future.